Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get void check in CIBC app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's dive into it. So to get a void check from the CIBC Mobile Banking app, you can actually do it. It's a very easy method. First thing first, go ahead, access your mobile banking app and sign in. Right afterwards, simply select the account you want to use for the void check. Now select account info to see your account number, transit number, and institution number. That's how you can simply get yourself a void check with those information. Now you can also get a void check from CIBC Online Banking by simply signing into your CIBC Online Banking, accessing your online website on your browser and signing in. Then afterwards, selecting the account. Afterwards, select the account you want to use again for the void check. Select manage my account option. Now select void check / direct deposit info. Once you have chosen that, tap on the reviewing the account information form. Simply go ahead, print the form, adding your signature and date, and submit it to the requested company that you have for the void check. Now, once you have done that, you are good to go. Once you have got yourself submitted to the requested company, you are good to go. You will be presented your CIBC void check, and you have also submitted that. If you have still question, you can simply visit nearby CIBC bank of yours and can ask for the questions from the staff itself. They will also help you out to fill the void check as well. That's it for this video. Hope this video was informative enough, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.